Hello, I'm Matt Gore. This is my submittal for EET-238 Lab Experiment 3 Part 2. Today is November 10th, 2023. This experiment shows how the rate of change from high to low is affected by different resistor and capacitor values. The circuit is an astable multivibrator. There are 6 resistor-capacitor combinations used in the timing of the circuit. Here are the 6 combinations that I'll be using in this circuit. I'll activate them one at a time and explain which one is which. This is the first one. This is the R1 2.2K, R2 100K, and C1 10 microfarads. The rate of the change in this circuit is approximately 1.42 seconds. This is combination number 2. It's 47 K ohm resistor for R1, R2 is 100K, and C1 is 10 microfarads. The rate of change here is approximately 1.73 seconds. Next, we have combination number 3, which R1 is a 100K ohm resistor, R2 is a 100K ohm resistor, and C1 is a 10 microfarad capacitor. And this one, the rate is about 2.10 seconds. This one is 2.2K resistor for R1, 100K for R2, and a 47 microfarad for C1. This rate of change is approximately 6.65 seconds. The fifth combination is a 47 K ohm resistor for R1, 100 K ohm resistor for R2, and a 47 microfarad capacitor for C1. This circuit changes at a rate of about 8.13 seconds. And finally, we have number 6 combination, which R1 is a 33 K ohm resistor, R2 is a 47 K ohm resistor, and C1 is a 0.1 microfarad capacitor. The rate of change in this is less than a second. Actually, it's less than a tenth of a second. And there's really no noticeable change that you can see. In conclusion, the values of the components determine the length of time that the circuit maintains either a high or low output. So when it switches between states, it's dependent on the values of the capacitor and the resistor.